Today we have a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video is Target shoplifter caught stealing at her doorstep, leaving her husband helpless. Wow.
Like, so these items are here, all purchases that you made, or?
Yeah.
Did you pay for any of those items, or did you just walk out with them? So if you want to come meet us at the station, shouldn't take us very long.
On January 11th,
You know he
2025, at 12:08 p.m., officers were dispatched to Target for a delayed retail theft, approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Officer then had a description of the offender, stating it was a white female wearing a black jacket with red pants, pushing out a cart full of items through the vestibule entrance, and she was seen leaving Target in a gray Honda CR-V. Here's description of footage which revealed the following timeline. At 10:51 a.m., female offender walks into the vestibule without any bag. Then, from 11:15 a.m. to 11:23 a.m., female offender walks around selecting items and placing them into her cart, large storage tote. At 11:46 a.m., female offender walks past the last point of sale towards the front entrance, bathrooms. After 5 minutes, female offender is seen loading the car with the large storage tote and various items and left in gray Honda CR-V with a black case on top. With the evidence in 4K, officers decided to provide some door-to-door service and paid a visit to her residence. But as we've come to expect, the truth didn't exactly come out as easily as she walked out of that Target.
Not more property damage only.
Nice neighborhood too.
Hi there. Yeah, just really quick question. So you said that you did visit Target today, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Obviously, it's like, is that picture you?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
I
So,
was gonna make some returns. but-
okay, perfect. Did you, like, so these items are here, all purchases that you made, or?
Yeah, but
Yeah?
well, that was expired. That's like the
Do you have the
granola.
receipt for that?
I do.
Yeah, did you wanna-
Throw it away. I can go find it. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so,
Yeah, I had gone in to make returns, but there was like a really long line.
okay.
So I just decided to come back later.
Gotcha, okay. And then this is your vehicle as well?
That's me, yes.
Okay, perfect. And that's what you drove over there?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So really quickly, here's the discrepancies. We got a call from Target.
Oh, dear, okay.
Video shows, I've seen the video. They show me taking items,
Okay.
not passing a register at all, not going up to the front at all to pay for any of those items.
Oh.
And you walked in,
Yeah.
and I can tell by your reaction right now
Yes.
that you kind of,
Well, I went in. I had to go to the bathroom really bad.
Okay.
I was gonna go do the return, but then I went
She's nervous. You could tell by her body language.
shopping. I grabbed a couple
Yeah.
pouches.
Okay.
When I came back, I had to go to the bathroom.
okay. So where did all these items come from that were in that cart?
Well, I was gonna return like those diapers. They don't fit my baby anymore.
Okay, but
And
the thing is that when you walked in, you didn't have anything. There,
Oh, I had a cart.
you walked in with nothing.
Oh dear. Okay. I had a cart.
I mean, I know that you have the cart, but when
Yeah.
the video shows you walking into Target, you have nothing.
Yeah.
You grab a cart, you grab a tote, and you fill up that tote with a bunch of items.
Yeah.
Reality finally hits home. Our subject quickly realizes that Target isn't a charity, and her lucky streak has officially reached its expiration date.
Now, where is that tote with a bunch of items?
I do have the tote.
Okay,
Yeah.
inside?
Yes.
Okay, so be honest with me.
Yeah.
Did you pay for any of those items, or did you just walk out with them?
Being honest, I did not. I'm sorry.
You didn't pay for them?
No.
Okay.
I got really bad
Okay.
issues, and I just
Okay.
had to go. I kind of
Okay.
pooped my pants a little
Okay.
bit.
So were we planning on returning back at all? Were we
I
planning on?
absolutely can and will.
Okay. So here's the thing, though. What we have is what's done is done already. I appreciate you being honest with me. I know that it took, all around that. But Target does want to pursue criminal complaints, okay? So with that being said, can we get maybe
Assume the
a
position.
jacket on, or
Yes.
some shoes on? Because you're gonna have to come with us, okay?
Okay. My husband with my kids.
Okay.
Right.
Jacket, okay?
So I have to go to the station?
Yes, you're gonna have to come with us, okay?
I'm gonna have to stay there.
So not gonna have to stay, but it's gonna be like I'm gonna cite you, so it's a citation, okay, and then you'll be able to come back home. So you can have your husband pack up the kids and come get you from the station, okay. But obviously, like I said, Target wants to pursue complaints, and
What
if we can
does
get
that
that,
entail?
that's an arrest. Okay, so you're being placed under arrest. Okay, so that's just so you know that you're going to come back with us. You've been pretty open and honest with me, which I appreciate.
Will that
so,
show up at like my work?
I mean, I don't know what you do for work with your work on that. Okay, so give me a second. Let me. Do you want to maybe try to talk with?
Yeah, I'll go. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, everything's okay.
But the drama doesn't stop there. Enter the husband and children. This is the exact moment the family afternoon turns into a legal nightmare. Pay close attention to the husband's reaction here. Nothing says unplanned audit quite like a man realizing his wife's shopping spree just became a police matter.
So we're just gonna make it easy if we could just get some. She's gonna come back home. We just need to get some shoes and a jacket. Is that okay?
My purse. Can you get my?
I mean, you're not really going to need much, like I said. So, like, I mean, we have their information. You can bring your purse if you'd like, but I'm just telling you, there's probably no need for it because you're going to be in. We'll do some fingerprints, photographs, get you a citation written, and then go. Okay. So.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Is there any reason, like, kind of like you just didn't? I mean, I know that you said that you got stuff going on, but
just really sweet.
okay.
You know.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't put any of the stuff away. Is the tote still there, or do you guys have all the stuff?
I do have the tote. I did start to put things away.
Okay.
I put everything back in it.
Okay. We'll just take whatever the.
Stuff back,
Well, I would like to give them. I would like to give them back. You know what they have.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that that's the case with them.
Okay. Could I pay for it possibly?
That's.
Why does everyone want to pay for things after they already done stole it? You should have paid for it in the first place. You should have paid for it in the first place. Times is tough. Times is tough for everybody. Do you not see gas $5 a gallon? Times is tough for everybody. Everybody going through it. This is in 2025, but shit wasn't that much goddamn better, okay? Shit, goddamn, everything is expensive. It is what it is. Post-COVID, over, up through the roof. Everybody was getting them COVID checks and chilling, relaxing. Oh, life was good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no. The government came back around, man. They coming to get all that bread, man. They need all of that, man. That's why everything is skyrocketed, man. Whatever. They could put whatever on the news. We got this war going on, that war going on. Because of this, we not getting imports on this. We taxing this, that. Man, post-COVID, the government need that bread back, man. And that's Shy theory, okay?
That's a call I would have to make over there, okay?
Okay.
Could we pay for it right now? How much is it?
So, here's the unfortunate thing is regardless of what it is, her Target wants to pursue some stuff.
You know
so,
he's sick of her shit.
So she's going to be taken back to the station, okay?
Sorry.
It's okay?
No.
So if you want to come meet us at the station, shouldn't take us very long. You can pick her up in the back, but she's not staying, okay?
I'm ready.
We do need the product back.
Yeah, so, yeah, if we want to,
Help me get.
she has a tote, we can come in.
Sir, do you mind if I step in with you? Yeah. I appreciate it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do I not bring my purse? I just wanted my.
I saw her open it, so.
I'm sorry.
Are you sure that you want to bring all this? Like I said, like you're going to be in and out, and you can bring your phone.
My phone is
You can bring your phone.
Phone and ID, that's really all you need right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then we'll just get this back to your husband, okay?
Okay.
And then hold on one second. I'm going to
Yeah.
search the rest of your pockets. You just got some gloves in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
I'll get the. Oh, I just saw your jacket. You didn't have anything else on you, did you?
No.
I'm gonna put this in your jacket pocket, okay? Because I gotta hold on to your stuff. I'm just gonna keep it up with me in front, okay? I'm just gonna make sure that they have the stuff back, okay?
You've got my wallet.
I do. I have your wallet and you have your phone, okay? It's the whole case.
For it? Yeah.
So
Do you think they'd let me pay for it?
that's something I'd have to call Target for it, okay?
Okay.
So we'll just take that step by step when we get back there. I'll make some phone calls for you and see what's going on.
So he has no clue. This is the tote, but there's nothing in it. So I don't know.
Yeah, there wasn't.
Okay, where are the items at then?
They should just let her do it. Let her do it. The husband don't know, man. Husband don't know. Yeah, let her do it, man.
There was like a bag of granola, and then there was.
Sorry, are you okay with her coming to grab the items?
Okay.
She will be escorted.
Can you please grab the items for the report?
All right. Whenever you're here, lead us one through the grass area, okay? And just go ahead and face the car for me, okay?
Yep.
Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna have you take the thumbs off there, okay?
Unbelievable. Whole neighborhood's gonna be talking about this.
Perfect.
Hey, you
Take a
seen
seat, okay?
Susie? Oh yeah. She out there stealing at Target.
All right. We should be very far, so just give us a minute, okay? Thank you.
Your keeper's coming in, by the way.
Is it? Thank you. We're en route back to the station.
10-4, operating everything over.
Yep, so like I said, we're gonna go in. We're gonna get you a court date, some information. We're gonna fingerprint and photograph and then you should be able to go. Usually isn't too long of a process, okay? That's up to the judge. Once we do our stuff, that's up to them as far as what goes on. Like I said, that is all pending the judge. They don't even make these things detainable anymore. With the new Safety Act, like I said, like for the amount that you have, a lot of the times they would, you know, allow us to take back to the adult detention facility with stuff like this. But it also just depends on previous and everything else. So.
How do you think you could just walk in a store and then walk out without... Oh, boy.
She was issued a citation for retail theft and handed her parting gifts, a stack of paperwork, and a mandatory court date for January 31st in Will County. She was released without further incident, but she'll have plenty of time to rethink her 5-finger discount strategy before she faces a judge.
All right, yeah. Yeah, she the talk of the neighborhood. You know, these type of neighborhoods, they probably got neighborhood watch and they got their little community groups and all. Everybody know everybody. They gonna be like, yo, you seen John's wife? Oh, yeah. She was on YouTube. She got caught stealing. You know what I mean? She was stealing from Target. Oh, my God. I thought they were good. The kids are so great. Oh. Freaking embarrassing, man. And you could tell by the husband's, just his body language. Like, he's like, what'd she get into now? He just know. It's like, damn, you taking care of another kid. You know he tired of her shit, man. You could just tell.